Hi, this is Bob Hawkins. I'm often asked what is some of the simplest ways to manage insurance on a dealer's portfolio. Well, I've got a very simple way to explain this. You might call this a simple as pie explanation. You see, your portfolio is exactly like a pie. You've got all kinds of apples in that pie. Many of those apples are great customers. They're insured, they pay on time, there's no problems. But some of those apples are uninsured. And your job every month is to figure out which of your apples are not insured. Well, the problem is without an effective tracking and management system, you've got to eat the whole pie. You've got to contact every apple you have and verify insurance on every single apple. Well, what if there was a way, like a machine that you could stick your pie portfolio in, and it will find all the uninsured apples for you and put them in one slice? So you only had to deal with one slice instead of the whole pie. Well, that machine now exists that through Verifacto. Well, Verifacto does exactly that. It takes all your uninsured apples and puts them in one slice. So you deal with only those apples. How does it do that? Well, it electronically takes your database and your dealer management system, and then it makes contact with the national database called the Electronic Insurance Data Exchange, and it identifies which of those apples are uninsured, and then which policies are lapsed or expired, and it shows you all the problems. So you're able to quickly see, oh, the green is the good ones. I don't have to touch those. The blue is the CPI. I don't have to worry about those. I know how to take care of those. The missing policy information and the no active policies are the ones I need to deal with. So it quickly narrows down the amount of work you have to do to identify the uninsured and deal with them. And not only does it do that, it actually names those uninsured apples for you so you know exactly who to contact. It's down to a workable list instead of managing your entire portfolio database. You might say it makes it as easy as a piece of cake. Well, I'm sorry, bad joke. But with it Verifacto system, you're going to see that your entire portfolio, your entire pie is stable and without losses, and you're going to keep on growing. I'm Bob Hawkins with ICPI Agency. I look forward to meeting you at the Auto Action Dealer Education Seminar, and I'll look forward to your meeting Enrique Castablanco, Vice President of Sales of Verifacto. Enrique is going to speak to us about Verifacto systems and how it can enable your dealership to continue growing with excellent insurance management. Look forward to seeing you Friday.